Y'all, so today I'm back with another video. In today's video I am going to be putting this Kiss Almighty Bond lace glue to the test. So this is what I have this wig adhered down with right here. I'm not sure if I'll put some clips in there or not. I'll double check and see, but I don't think I did. But basically I already have like my rag is like a little wet, but I just feel like I want to touch up because there's some spots that I feel like just are a little sticky still, and excuse me, and I feel like I did like, I don't know, I just feel like I tinted the lace a little darker with my powder. I put too much powder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like wet my rag like this. And I'm just going to wipe it, and the rag is wet, as y'all can see. But I just want to wipe it to try to wipe away some of the makeup. And I want to see if it's going to start lifting or not. And I'm kind of being a little rough. I'm not doing the side, y'all, just because like my sides, they are not sticking down. But I don't know if I really fought that to the lace glue, because I feel like my sides like never really stick down. Like I feel like it's always a hassle to get my sides to stick and for them not to like shift back and stuff like that. So we're not even gonna worry about these sides. We really just worrying about all of this. So I just want to do that, and then I'm gonna lift to see. Okay, y'all, so it's pretty, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's not lifting at all. And I'm not sure, like, of course it's not like I'm not fully drenching myself underwater, but like, to be completely honest, like, who is fully drenching themselves in the wintertime? Like, I know I'm in Texas, and like, it's actually been kind of cold here. It's been back and forth, but I mean, it's not really pool weather. So I mean, in the wintertime, really, who's getting their hair fully drenched? So, but yeah, I feel like it's staying. Like, I'm literally tugging. Oh, actually right there. So it looks like right there it started lifting. But I still would like rate this a good glue, because like I literally like tugged, and it's like, who gonna get fully drenched or even like with their hair and then just start tugging at it? So I still feel like it's pretty good glue. So for the areas that have kind of lifted up, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take the glue, and I like that it is like the dual side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the precision tip side and just go in. First, let me get a little toothbrush just to brush. I'm gonna just try to brush all the hairs back. Just so they're out the way. So, oh dang, it looked like it kind of started lifting a lot, like right there. So I'm just gonna go under and put some of the glue right there. And then I'm gonna go, I'll probably do this whole little side, to be completely honest, because I'm gonna take the other side. Okay, y'all, and one thing that I have learned with this, don't try to, and y'all probably know this, but I was a little slow. Don't try to use like both sides that, I don't know, not both sides at once, but like, don't try to use this side when this cap is still off, because it will start squirting out of both ends. So, dang. Okay, y'all, so I thought that this was pretty waterproof, but from the looks of it, like, it's actually kind of lifting. Let's look at this side. So this side is staying pretty well, but y'all, this earpiece is just giving me the flex. It really is, because number one, it's too short for real. If we're being completely honest, like the wig was a little too little, and then it started balding, so then I tried to cut it a little bit, and now it's just like not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to move this up a bit. I'm gonna put some glue right there, and we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna let these two sections dry and see what we can come up with. I might end up just having to take it off and reinstall it, to be completely honest.
Thomas Jackson, ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Thomas Jackson, ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Yeah. Thomas Jackson. Yeah. Bounce. Thomas Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter.
Y'all like this shit? Like, I don't understand how it constantly moves back. Like, I swear I lay it in the right position. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? I think I'm just gonna take this off, and I didn't do the bald cap method, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we're just about to take this Kiss Almighty glue remover, and we're just about to remove this whole thing, wash the wig, and install. We're gonna wash my hairline really well, and we're just about to remove the whole thing. That's what we're gonna do. I might make a little series of this, like watch me try to figure this out because this is just not happening. So we're gonna try to, and like I said, y'all, this was without a bald cap. So I am going to, I have the wig removed right here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the wig, and then maybe I need to, like, do I need to, no, I don't know what we're just gonna try this again with a bald cap. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead, yeah, and wash the wig really well. I'm gonna try to remove all of this, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. See y'all in a minute.
Thomas Jackson, ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Thomas Jackson, ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Yeah. Thomas Jackson. Yeah. Bounce. Thomas Jackson, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Thomas Jackson, but I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. Forever. Thomas Jackson. Beating your daughter, got this thing going on. You say it's popular, we say it's full grown. Hope that we can feel this way forever. You can plan a wedding picnic, but you can't predict the weather. Thomas Jackson. apologize.